G'day. Today I just want to give you a quick tour of our van. This is a 2018 Japanese import all-wheel drive Toyota Hiace. Now, the interesting thing about this one is it does actually have the new engine in it. So it's the 2.8 litre turbo diesel that you'll find in your newer Prados and Hiluxes, and it's much more efficient, much better power. And I'll give you a bit of a look around the van. In the back, there's a bit of storage. There's a big drawer that pulls out, which has a few of our outdoor items, chairs and table, and eventually this will be a pull-out bench. It'll have a lid, which can be used as a kitchen as well at the back. And under here is our water tank, which will eventually get plumbed up to the kitchen. And we'll put the deep cycle battery on this side and the empty space there. So you can see this is what our drawer looks like when it's open. There's a few outdoor items. That's a fire pit, table, some chairs, and our fill hose for the water tank. So the newest addition to the van was obviously the cladding, which you'd see in the video previous. And we've also hooked up some little lights here, like so. This is the area that will eventually be our little kitchenette. There's quite a bit to do still, it's not complete. So we're just running a little Esky style fridge at the moment, but that will eventually be replaced by a fridge that will be accessible from the other side. We'll have a sink and some drawers, and there'll be a bit of storage behind the seat as well. And that'll sort of finish our kitchen, I suppose. The bed frame is pretty much complete. And we've got Kimmy's little bed under there, and we've got a drawer. This is what we're using for kitchen storage at the moment, but I think we'll change that when the kitchen gets built. Under here is the garage section, I suppose. So tools and the compressor live under there. We've just got a few bits and pieces jammed in there for the moment though. And so that's our van, the 2018, and this is Simon and Renee's van, which is actually an identical model, albeit just a couple of years older. I believe it's a 2014, still all-wheel drive and still a Japanese import. The main difference is that it's a one-door model, not two, and they've actually been building this out and are practically done, I believe. They've got a pretty cool setup with a TV, and I think the idea is that they will be able to work on the road. So it's a bit of a different setup, but it's very cool. Kim, like underneath as well.
Go.
So, think it. Yeah. Oops. Do you want to show us how this works?
Yeah, sure.
I tried to explain it before, but I don't know if I explained it very well. So.
My wife Renee works on the road a lot. Well, not on the road. Ideally, she'll work on the road, but she works from home. So we wanted the option, a bit more usable space, and we wanted the option to be able to work from the van. So we've got a Wi-Fi router
The camera
just back here.
I haven't seen behind here actually.
So that just takes a SIM card, a prepaid SIM.
Thank you.
Which is pretty good. So we'll have that set up when we do our extended trips.
Some internet on the road.
Internet on the road, which will be pretty handy. And then, so this is probably one of the best bits, is that it's
that's cool.
telescopic table leg. So yeah,
Tap away.
tap away. It's controlling the documents. That's what she does. So that is. That was a big component of what I wanted when doing this set out.
Awesome. I want to look under
and
here.
everything's sort of that's
electrics.
not finished. Yeah, it still isn't finished. So
no, I think every
much
van
like
is a bit of a work in progress.
A work in progress.
It's awesome though.
But that actually determined the total height for everything, because I tried to find the lowest telescopic table leg I could, and that changed the height of everything.
And how high is that in millimeters, please?
I think the lowest is 330 mil.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, and then it extends up to around 700.
Nice.
But yeah, we've got a 50-litre water tank mounted underneath. Kevin is an expert of welding, so he
I hadn't shown that
gave
actually.
me a hand.
This was mounted under here, so water tank and pump. I don't know if I'm pointing the camera in the right direction. Hopefully you can see. There is a slow leak actually. Yeah. There's a leak.
Yeah, there's a leak.
Yeah.
I haven't put any threaded tape on that yet, but yeah, it's just testing. So we've got our water all set up. We didn't go with a grey water system here. We're not registering it as a camper or anything. So we've simply just got a bowl that we can fill up and brush our teeth with and whatnot. We're pretty relaxed people.
Cool.
A massive, it's not Waco, what is it? It's Dometic. It's a big Dometic.
That is Waco, I think.
No.
Same company, aren't they?
We'll edit the bit. Big 95 litre fridge, probably too big for this space. I've built this like a kitchen, pretty much. So everything was on kickers, and then building it on kickers allowed me to set up a RGB strip in the niche of the floor.
That's cool.
So
bit of mood lighting, nice.
yeah, that mood lighting at night's really nice.
Cool.
So this is obviously, yeah, a kitchen slide.
Pretty cool.
It's got a pretty cool collapsible sink in here to wash all your dishes. This pops up for a wind guard for your cooktop. So we'll be doing all of our kitchen stuff out here.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thanks for showing us around your van.
That's all right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Are you filming now?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know, angle?
No.
No?
So what's my fridge? Built